Yes. Okay. Okay. What's this? Oh, okay. In the you want to select the swimming channel. Okay. Select this the H star. Okay, H star. Yes. And select the swimming model. And check again the star. Okay, they have the choice swimming channel choice. Okay, for this way, starlight, aces, this J spec, ruler space, L space, portion ruler, afternoon, inner space. Yes, all the channel inside here. Okay, you can select this and outside this. After A and other, you can select to the swimming factory. Okay, if you want to the more quickly about the 10 or the minus this 10. Yes, if this if the 2 or 1 0.1 and this one operator of the collocation. Yes, yes, if the swimming move about yes, you can choose this one. Yes. Okay, you check this. Find the Y, Z, X. Yes. Okay, as you know. Yes, very well. Yes, another, that or not. Stay on, no. Oh, doesn't have a choice. And other says, okay, let's check the sure. It all is finished. Yeah, the swimming channel is a switch, finish. Yes. By the one way, one S star and, put the button to the, swimming, then the second, this is a button and show this one again. They have they will coming in the testing pad. Check the testing pad after you can, modify finish. You can choose to the move out. Yeah. After this position is the swimming. This position is swimming. Yes. After the acting yes. See the Yeah. There's a okay. This is all.